Imagine being born in America, taking your first breath under the same flag millions call home, and then being told, sorry, you're not a citizen. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, that's exactly what Donald Trump is asking the Supreme Court to consider. Today, we're diving into one of the most explosive legal battles of our time, Trump's push to restrict birthright citizenship. If ye like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, we frequently publish more news on our website. You can read it there. Ready for something exciting? I'm giving away a special gift to my subscribers. Enter now through the link in the description box before it's gone. Let's break this down. President Donald Trump has asked the Supreme Court to back his executive order that says children born in the U.S., if their parents are here illegally or even temporarily, shouldn't automatically be American citizens. Now for context. This goes against more than 125 years of history. Since the 14th Amendment was ratified after the Civil War, the rule has been clear. If ye be born on American soil, ye be an American citizen, period. The only exceptions? Children of foreign diplomats or occupying military forces. But Trump's team says that's too broad. In their words, lower courts have wrongly given the privilege of citizenship to hundreds of thousands of unqualified people. Sounds dramatic, doesn't it? Here's the twist. Every single lower court that has looked at Trump's order so far has called it unconstitutional, or at least likely unconstitutional. Judges have blocked it everywhere. That includes rulings from the Ninth Circuit Court in San Francisco and a federal judge in New Hampshire, who both said, nope, this doesn't fly. Still, the administration isn't giving up. Solicitor General D. John Sauer is pushing hard, saying the order is key to border security. Meanwhile, the ACLU, representing children who'd lose their citizenship, calls Trump's move flat out illegal. Cody Wolfsey from the ACLU didn't mince words. This executive order is illegal, full stop. No baby citizenship will be stripped away by this cruel and senseless order. Strong words, right? Let's pause for a second. On one side, ye got Trump's administration arguing, we need this to protect our borders. On the other side, ye got courts, legal scholars, and civil rights groups saying, this undermines the very foundation of the 14th Amendment. Think about the irony here. The 14th Amendment was written to guarantee citizenship for freed slaves and their children. A promise that no matter where ye came from, if ye were born here, ye belonged here. And now that very promise is being challenged at the highest court in the land. So what happens next? The Supreme Court hasn't even decided if it'll take the case yet. That decision could be months away, with arguments probably not until late winter or early spring. But if they do take it, we could be looking at a ruling by early summer. A ruling that might reshape who counts as an American citizen. Can ye imagine the fallout? Whole families living in limbo, states unsure how to apply the law, and potentially hundreds of thousands of kids being told the country they were born in doesn't recognize them. Here's a question for you. Do ye think birthright citizenship should be untouchable, or do ye agree with Trump that it needs to change? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this debate isn't just legal, it's deeply personal. For now, the order is frozen, and the Constitution's promise still stands. Born here, ye belong here. But make no mistake, this fight isn't over, and the Supreme Court could soon decide whether that promise remains unshakable, or whether the rules of American identity are rewritten. The stakes? Nothing less than the meaning of citizenship itself. If ye like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, we frequently publish more news on our website. Ye can read it there. Finally, special gift link in the description box. Thank ye for watching.